I'm unhooking the dog. Dog is unhooked. What? Say what? So this is the beach. I wanted to take a video on the way down here, but didn't work out. Full moon last night, no water today. And this is low tide. And actually after raid is low tide too. But sometimes even low tide is pretty full of water. Oof! I just got spanked. Ow. That's... I can't see shit. The sun's really in my eyes. Oof. This is about as low as it gets, and it's like over a mile to actually get to the water. I think like every morning it gets farther away. We were almost there a couple times, and it just keeps getting farther and farther. And I'm up pretty early this morning, but here, we'll just walk a little bit. The air is actually pretty nice, but I can feel that sun starting to heat up. Yep. Dog is kind of fat. His metabolism tanks in the heat. Even though he's happy and active, it just seems to tank for him. He's the only whippet I've ever had that loves the cold weather. The other ones I had would chatter their teeth if it was like 65 degrees and shiver, but I've never seen him get cold, so I think he'll love it here in the winter. Whew, I'm kind of nervous about it, but we'll see what happens. This is... See if we can find any little Krabby Patty friends. Stuff gets abandoned out here, trapped. I think then the birds come and pick it off. It's weird, you think the water would flow the other way. Well, maybe it goes that way too. You want another one? All right. Yeah. I feel like we both are kind of out of it this morning. There's no breeze. Just gorge some sand, some mouth sand. So, yeah. Morning sun. It's the beach. It's a golf course. And it's like, in another couple of weeks, everyone will come back here for the season, the tourist season. And I'm dreading it because it's so amazing. Look, I have all this just for me and the dog. Nobody else is out here. Crazy. Whew. And it's like, I don't know. I have to keep trimming his toenails because we don't ever walk on the pavement anymore. This is so soft and forgiving. So nice on the feet. Alright, I'm gonna try to find something cool in the water. I was gonna try to mount this thing to my head or something, but I took the battery pack off. So it's a little bit lighter. It's not as heavy. It's a little more awkward to hold though. Let's see. I'm getting one of those kind of stagnant ponds to find something. We'll keep looking. I don't want to point the camera directly into the sun. I have to like drilling into my eyes too. I just cleaned my sunglasses yesterday. Now I don't want to wear them. I more than want to driving. So I don't want to hit something in the car because I'm driving right into this. Because I actually live like over there. Yeah, by that kind of brownish reddish mountain. I live over there. Okay, the little one. Alright. Anything, there's a snail. So let's walk along here and see if we can find anything good in here. There's a lot of shells in here. Broken pieces. Barefoot. A little tiny piece of seaweed. Mostly just broken shells here. Another little snail. There's a hunk of metal. You don't see a lot of debris out here. That hunk of metal is like one of the few things I've actually seen. Alright, what's in here? Did you find, are you just washing your mouth? There's a snail. Snail day out here. It's a little bit murky here. I can't see too good, and you're really stirring it up. Mud Island. Ooh, there's a little crab. Ah! Watch out, okay. They don't have very big claws, but imagine when they get angry, they will use them. They're more body than claw. I don't know. And they do sell them at the fish market. I don't know what you do with a clam like that, because you'd have to eat a crab, you'd have to eat the body. And people do clam out here in the morning and sell them. And I don't know what to do with those either. I think you steam them. But then what? There's all like a whole fish market full of weird stuff to explore. Like, there's a lot of sand dollars, but they're really tiny like that. They're just everywhere. I think one morning there's a tourist guy. He found one that was about 4 inches across. That's the biggest one I've seen. I haven't personally seen one, but I mean, he was carrying it in his hand from out on the beach, so I'm pretty sure he found it out here somewhere. Long walk. Dog's tongue is hanging out, but not out the side yet. We got, ooh, shit. Okay. I'm in the mud up to my knees here. Sometimes that happens. I don't know. It like doesn't form up or something. Just a couple of steps. Yeah, the dog got it too. Now we gotta wash our legs off. There are showers on the beach, so I'm not too concerned about it. That water looks just plain trippy is the only way I can say. I don't always notice this the last couple of days, this weird rippling effect. I think because the water is out farther than normal. All right, let's go up to the next body of water here. Nothing really interesting laying around here today. There's this one thing I wanted to take a picture of something of because it's so odd, but I don't see it. Sometimes there'll be a couple of them, but there's a seal over there waiting. Usually the dog will chase those. His legs are so muddy. Yeah, these little holes, somebody was either metal detecting or they were digging clams. The holes look the same. I believe you'd use pretty much the same tool for both. For the digging part anyway. Okay. Alright, that looks like the kind of mud you get stuck in. Alright, let's see how far I can go. Oh, that sun. Wow. Ooh, something's jumping in there. Yeah, a little sinkage. Oops. Okay, yeah, let's back it up. Let's not do that shit. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright. We are officially muddy. I'm gonna change hands. Whew. Alright. Yeah, that's muddy. That's what happens. Alright, now we gotta find one of these little pathways to wash off in. There's still nobody out here. When we turn around, we'll have the breeze in our face and it'll feel a little better. Okay, I just don't think I'm gonna go any farther because it's too muddy. And like another half mile out there. Yeah, the sun's really getting into my eyes there. I think a little bit is actually good, but it's getting a little too much right now. Whew. Yeah, that side of my face feels very cooked. All right. Do you want to turn around? Okay, let's go. All right. Yeah, I'm just going to cover this up and we're going to run around a little bit, have my hands free for extra balance and yeah. Ah, the breeze feels so good. Okay, yeah, I gotta do kind of my little stretching exercises and stuff, so I wish I could find a way to bring the camera that wasn't so awkward, but anyway, that's the beach. See ya.